ano yun, wala kang kasama na kawawala kita.
I'm sorry, can you repeat the question?
Na, first movie mo without Alexa.
Yes.
Anong pakiramdam?
I think doing solo projects naman is good for your growth as an artist. Yeah,
Kaya na muna ha, para marinig natin.
It's okay.
Ang sagot niya, hindi ko hindi.
Yeah, I think doing solo projects, kahit line of think ka, is still essential. Kasi it's para sa sarili mo din eh, para gumaling ka din. And you get to work with other people. So, I think we should, sa pag mga love team, I think pwede na mag-solo project ng isa't isa. Because, I think it's too traditional na really love team mag-work lang with each other.
Ayan, thank you much, Shibing, sa mga magagandang questions. Of course, si Chikanas naman.
Eh, mag-umay.